in response to how I would invest $800 today is, as for me, I would find a business in a box that I would invest in, and I've got this one here called the Power Lead System, very powerful business in a box. I would then sign up as an affiliate, which I am already, and thrive to sign up as an to the level of being an affiliate as it is right now. These green buttons here shows that I am an affiliate, and I get paid $20 per person per who signs up to this program should I share my link with them. So the beauty of this program is I sign up straight away. I've got a business of my own. I don't need to worry about having a website created. I don't need to have a worry about having a blog created. I don't need to worry about having some lead capture pages created. Why? Because already this company gives me the tools that I need to promote my business, which I'll find in here. So I get things like these lead capture pages, as you can see. Um, I'll just open one here, which probably most of you are familiar with. This is the lead capture page I'm promoting most of these days. So this is one of them, just one of them. So because it gives me that opportunity to have my own lead capture page, or I can actually have other lead capture pages by having my domain names, and it's a system that will allow me to uh, even create a blog. We've got a feature here that is called Power Blog. I won't go much into detail about it, but I'm just showing you how I would invest in it and why. And so, like I said, I don't need a website. I don't need an email autoresponder. I don't need any hosting services because all of those this business provides. Hence, it's called a business in a box. So once I do that, invest into this one. Now you'll find we also got training uh, provided by the coaching program, the very coaching program, the business that we are selling. We've got training. By the way, you should know that this system, the power lead system, the funnels that are created in here are most sought after by most business people, coaches, speakers, authors, uh, uh, um, and every other business you can think of, internet marketers, network marketers, they all looking for a system like this to build their business. So, okay, fine. Here, the company will give you training on how to promote the very business. I'll go back and show you the link in a minute, but this is where you will get all the training. I came here to just show you that this is once I invest into it, and I get my link over here. Let me just go back and show you. I get my link from here. Here there are some traffic generation methods that are there. You can do that. You can have some text links, some email swipes. You can have traffic generation. I just chose traffic generation online here. You can actually have an option of traffic generation offline as well. So let's go to the text links where I'll get my link. So this here, ladies and gentlemen, will be my link, which I can use temporarily straight away to start making money. But I'll show you what this lead capture page here presents. It will just go with that one and helps people to generate leads. So once I start generating these leads, well, once I have my link, I'll then head over to the training center where and on the marketing, this is where now I will find where to promote the link that I've just shown you to start building a link of people who are interested in earning extra money. or interested in learning some skills, say social media or email marketing, search engine optimization, everything is provided here in the back office here where you find training. So by going here where we call quality clicks, these are what we call solo ads. And with solo ads, you can quickly purchase clicks, which means these are people that are already looking for what you have got. So with my link, after having invested the $54 to join as an affiliate, now I've got my link for my business, which I can start promoting with the solo ads. These solo ads, I can start purchasing, say, from as little as $50 to get some clicks, and which will then convert into sales. These are very red hot leads that are already looking for what you have with credit card in hand. So the more leads, the more clicks you buy, the more leads you will get, the more sales you will get. So with $800, I only have spent something like what, $100 so far to go. I sign up for $54. $50 I invest into some quality solo ads that will give me some quality leads that I can expect at least even 3 to 5 sales out of the 50 clicks, the 50 leads. And most of these solo ads, they sometimes spill over and you get extra leads. So just by doing that, I would have started making sales. By generating 3 sales, that would be $20 from each person who has signed up, and I'll just show them to do the same like I've just done. When they go to do their work, they get paid, and the company also thanks me for training them to go and make more sales by paying me 50% of everything they earn. That's how I would invest my my $800, and just do more of what I've just said here, which is increasing the amount of solo ad clicks that I purchase from 50 maybe to $200, because I'll be making profits. I will just take the profits that I would have made from the sales that I would have made from the first 50 clicks, reinvest that money, and I probably won't have to touch the rest of the $800. That's me. That's how I would. If you would want to find out more, let me know, and I will send some information to you. Thank you very much for watching.